10 Ford Ranger Lift Kit 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. 2019 to 2022 Ford Ranger 2.5-inch Leveling Kit. Ready to give your 2019 to 2022 Ford Ranger that perfect, commanding stance? Our 2.5-inch leveling kit is expertly designed for both 2WD and 4WD models, instantly eliminating factory rake for a more aggressive, balanced look. Crafted from premium 6061 aluminum alloy with precise CNC automatic processing, this kit guarantees superior durability and lightweight performance. The anodized black finish ensures lasting corrosion resistance, keeping your setup looking sharp for years to come. Installation is genuinely simple, often completed in just 1 to 2 hours without any cutting or drilling required, leading to stable and safe driving under any conditions. We recommend measuring from ground to fender to ensure you achieve the ideal lift for your Ranger's enhanced aesthetics and capability. Number 9. Ford Ranger 1 to 3-inch Front Lift Kit. Ready to give your Ford Ranger that commanding presence it deserves? This 1 to 3-inch front lift kit is precisely engineered for 1998 to 2011 4x4 and Edge/Sport 2WD models with torsion bar suspension. Say goodbye to factory rake as our kit perfectly levels your truck, delivering a noticeably aggressive look and crucial fender clearance for larger tires you've been eyeing. Best of all, your original OEM ride quality, steering, and comfort are completely maintained. Crafted from durable 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum billet with pre-installed 10.9 grade bolts, it's incredibly strong yet light. Installation is a breeze, a 100% simple bolt-on process, no cutting or modifying, usually finished in under 2 hours. Elevate your Ranger's stance and capability effortlessly. Number 8. 2019 to 2023 Ford Ranger 3-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit. Ready to transform your 2019 to 2023 Ford Ranger for WD/RWD? Our 3-inch front leveling lift kit is your ticket to a more commanding presence and worry-free adventures. Experience a higher driving angle and a clearer view of the road, effortlessly conquering rough terrain. Crafted from premium T6 aluminum with an anodized finish, these strut spacers are built to last, resisting deformation and corrosion for ultimate durability. Installation is a breeze thanks to our precise machining and direct bolt-on design, requiring minimal modification with basic tools. Plus, you'll gain room for larger tires for that rugged look, all while maintaining your Ranger's comfortable factory ride quality and dampening. Elevate your truck and your drive today. Number 7. 2.5-inch Ford Ranger Front Leveling Kit. Transform your 2019 to 2024 Ford Ranger's stance with our 2.5-inch front leveling kit. Engineered for both 2WD and 4WD models, this kit expertly eliminates the factory rake, giving your truck an aggressive, perfectly level look and accommodating larger wheels and tires. Enjoy straightforward, DIY-friendly installation thanks to its smart bolt-on design. No cutting or welding required. You're investing in top-tier quality. Each kit is precision CNC machined from robust billet aluminum and finished with a tough black powder coat for long-lasting durability. Proudly made in the USA from American source materials, this kit ensures superior craftsmanship. Upgrade your Ranger's look and capability with confidence. Number 6. Ford Ranger 2-inch Front Leveling Kit, 2019 to 2023. Ready to unlock your Ford Ranger's full potential? Our 2-inch Front Leveling Kit, 2019 to 2023 RWD/4WD, transforms its stance and capability. Gain a commanding higher driving angle and a clearer view of the road, while instantly creating space for larger, more aggressive tires for that rugged look you crave. Expertly engineered from robust T6 aluminum with advanced bolts, these strut spacers are built to resist deformation and corrosion, ensuring lasting performance even under extreme conditions. Enjoy worry-free driving, tackling rough roads and obstacles with ease, all while maintaining that consistent factory ride quality you love. Installation is a breeze, a direct bolt-on solution designed for minimal modification, getting you back on the road, elevated and confident, with just basic tools. Number 5. Ford Ranger Lift Kit. Ready to transform your 1998 to 2011 Ford Ranger 2WD, excluding torsion bar models. Our lift kit is engineered for a perfect fit and an instant upgrade. Say goodbye to that stock look and hello to a commanding presence with our easy-to-replace system. Achieve a bold 3-inch front lift and customize your rear with an adjustable 1 to 2-inch lift, creating that coveted level stance while significantly improving handling. We've included durable, black powder-coated components for superior corrosion resistance and comfort-enhancing rubber bushings that absorb vibrations. Plus, with free 3-month returns, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support, you're investing in quality and peace of mind. Elevate your Ranger experience today. Number 4, Ford Ranger Leveling Lift Kit. 1 to 3-inch front / 1 to 2 rear. Ready to transform your Ford Ranger's stance and capability? Our leveling lift kit is precisely engineered for your 1998 to 2011 4x4 or 2000 to 2011 Edge/Sport 2WD torsion bar models only, eliminating that factory rake for a perfectly level, aggressive look. You'll gain crucial fender clearance, opening the door for those larger, more capable tires you've been eyeing, all without sacrificing your beloved OEM ride quality or steering comfort. Crafted from premium 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum with hardened 10.9 grade bolts, this kit isn't just strong, it's built to last. Plus, installation is a breeze. With a 100% bolt-on design, no cutting or modifying is needed, meaning you can achieve that commanding presence in under 2 hours. Elevate your Ranger with confidence. Number 3, Ford Ranger 6-inch 2WD 4-sill lift kit 1998 to 2000. Ready to give your 1998 to 2000 Ford Ranger 2WD 4-sill a serious upgrade? Our 6-inch lift kit is precisely engineered for your truck, delivering a commanding new stance and impressive ground clearance. This complete package includes everything needed for a seamless transformation. Up front, you'll find robust 2-inch lift coil springs and durable 4 ductile cast iron lift spindles. For the rear, strong 4-inch fabricated steel angled lift blocks and zinc-coated U-bolts ensure a reliable setup. Plus, new nitro gas pressure shock absorbers for all 4 wheels guarantee a significantly improved, smooth ride, both on and off the pavement. Tailor-made for your 4x2 4-cylinder Ranger, get ready to experience a dramatic difference. Number 2, Ford Ranger 3-inch front leveling kit 1998 to 2011. Ready to transform your Ford Ranger 1998 to 2011? Our 3-inch front leveling kit is expertly designed to eliminate that unappealing factory rake, giving your truck a perfectly level, aggressive stance you'll love. But it's not just about looks. Enjoy crucial extra fender clearance, allowing you to confidently upgrade to larger tires and wheels. Crafted from robust 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum billet with pre-installed 10.9 grade hardened bolts, this kit offers superior strength and corrosion resistance, ensuring lasting performance. Installation is a breeze. A 100% simple bolt-on process takes less than 2 hours, with no cutting or modifications needed. Best of all, your original OEM ride quality and comfort are fully preserved. Elevate your Ranger's presence and capability today. Number 1, Ford Ranger 3-of-2 Leveling Lift Kit, 1998 to 2011. Give your Ford Ranger, 1998 to 2011, the aggressive, leveled stance it deserves with our 3-halves leveling lift kit. Engineered for torsion bar suspension models, including 4x4 and 2WD Edge/Sport trims, this complete bolt-on solution includes adjustable front 1-inch-3 torsion keys and rear 1-2 shackles. It's perfectly paired with extended front and rear shocks to ensure excellent ride quality and proper suspension travel. Installation is DIY-friendly with step-by-step instructions. Say goodbye to factory rake and hello to enhanced ground clearance and a bolder look. Drive with confidence thanks to a lifetime warranty on the lift kit and a 5-year per 50,000-mile warranty on the shocks. Upgrade your Ranger today. So, that sums up my 10 Ford Ranger lift kit. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.